Hello everyone. Yeah, this is Sandra. I'm back again with another video. Yeah, today, before I say anything, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so that you can see all my videos. Yeah, if you subscribe to my channel, you see all my videos, available to you. Anyway, today I'm going to talk about COVID and obesity. COVID and obesity. I don't know whether any one of you had the news recently that in the news, yeah, the scientists were saying that now COVID, if you're overweight, or if you are an overweight person or obese, you are likely to die from COVID. And to be honest, when I heard the news, I was kind of surprised, because like all the news all the time they are stabbing on obese or overweight back. They're always stabbing at their back. Every illness that comes, they said, oh, if you're obese or you're overweight, you die from it. I've never seen anything that any sickness has come that they haven't mentioned somebody who is overweight or obese. They always mention it. You understand what I mean? I feel like it's too much. It's too much. I mean, I don't know what other people think, but I think that is too much. Everything that comes, every illness that comes, they blame it on obese people or overweight people. People that are overweight, people that are obese. And I feel like it's too much. I feel like it's too much. You understand what I mean? Before COVID, people were already overweight and obese. I'm not saying that being overweight and obese is a good thing. No, it's not a good thing at all. It's not a good thing. It's not healthy. You understand what I'm not saying that if you're overweight or obese it's okay. It's not okay. But why is it that they are still blaming things on people like that? People that are overweight or obese, they keep on blaming things on them, which I feel like it's not fair. They should find a nice way to say it instead of putting sicknesses on them. You understand what I mean? Yeah, because when the news came, according to the scientists, they are saying that people that are obese or overweight, they are likely to die from COVID. To be honest, when I heard that, to be honest, I was laughing. To be honest, I was really laughing and said, what do they mean by that? A lot of people that died of COVID are slim people. Majority of them are slim, and majority of them too are old people, older age people who died from the COVID. So how come they are saying that now there's a new research saying that if you're overweight or obese, you die from COVID? So what happened when the sickness came first? How come they didn't say anything like that? It's like these scientists, I don't know where they get their research, but they keep on doing research that, to be honest, is so annoying. You understand what I mean? It's so annoying. So to be honest, when they say when you're overweight, you are likely to die from cancer. There's so many, over hundreds of sicknesses they put if you're overweight. Even they say you get diabetes if you're overweight. But yes, they are wrong, because a lot of overweight people haven't got diabetes. A lot of overweight people haven't got any illness. And you'd be surprised that some overweight people are even stronger and fitter than people that are slim, which is true. Yeah, we have people that are overweight, but they exercise all the time. We have people that are overweight, but they eat healthy. Sometimes being overweight, it could be from the family. It's a family treating. Yeah, sometimes that weight is in the family and you are born with it. And there's not much you can do. No matter how you exercise, no matter how you eat healthy, you are still staying the same weight, because it's in the family, it runs in the family, and if it's in the family, what else can you do? There's not much you can do. All that you can do is take care of yourself and well then take care of yourself, and eat healthy. That's all you can do. Yeah. So when I see people saying things that, oh, if you're overweight, you get this. If you're obese, you get this. I still don't understand them. I mean, COVID has come. I mean, we have had COVID for a year now, or even 2 years. And now they are saying that, oh, now if you're overweight, you die from it. And people that have died, majority of them are slim. And they've died from it. Majority of them are old people. And for me, when the COVID sickness came, I thought they said, what's the name? It's for immune system. I thought they said it was for immune system. If your immune system is weak, that's when you get COVID. Now, look at where they are passing it. That when you are fat or overweight or obese, that's what you are going to get. To be honest with you, they don't know what to do anymore. It's like every day they come with a different thing. Every day they come with a different thing, and it's getting too much. Yeah, you understand what I mean? Every day they come with a different issue. You understand what I mean? One COVID that has come now, COVID is this, COVID is that, COVID is that. Yeah, and that's what they are saying. And even what even make me laugh, they say, oh, the people that are obese, they should have the injection first. They should have the injection first. The obese people now, obese people, there'll be somebody. I mean, obese is different area. Yeah. To be obese is not good. To be honest, yeah, I know there are some people who are so much fat that they can't do anything about it. But you can do something about it. Yeah, because if you are obese, you know that it's not good for your health. Number one, yeah, if you are somebody who is so much obese, and the rest now, you have to tackle it, because it's not good for health. Yeah, or you're overweight, you know that it's not good. Yeah, so you are losing weight for your own good, not for anybody. You are losing weight to help yourself, isn't it? Yeah, because if you are not if you are overweight or obese now, it's like you can't really feel confident for yourself. I mean, you are not confident. You understand what I mean? So all the time, it's like you are walking and think somebody is looking at you. Even when you are eating, you feel like somebody is watching you. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So I feel like for your own good, it's good to lose weight. But I don't think the COVID has got anything to do with it. You understand what I mean? The COVID has not got anything to do with it at all. You understand what I mean? Because the way they are placing it, that as if, oh, if you're overweight or obese, you will die from COVID. But a lot of people that are overweight are still alive. They haven't died of COVID. How about those ones? That's what I want to know. How about those ones? How come those ones that have got weight, they are still alive, and they had COVID and they are still alive? It's about immune system. COVID is about immune system, not about how much weight you got on. But technically, it's good to lose weight. You understand what I mean? But it's got nothing to do with COVID at all. You understand what I mean? So me, the only thing I would say that people that, if you feel like your weight has gone up, and you feel like your weight has gone up and you feel too full up, like obese or overweight, all that you have to do is just do exercise. Exercise is the trick. If you exercise, you know if you don't have enough time, just do 20 minutes 3 days a week. Yeah, to do 20 minutes, just 20 minutes exercise 3 days a week, it's nice. It's really, you feel good. And whenever you are eating, like a lot of all this weight comes from the carbs in it. They're from the carbs that we eat. Carbohydrate food, rice and all those potatoes and all those things. Yam and all kinds of things. When you are eating, just add vegetables to it, so that it can balance your food. A lot of people don't like vegetables. You know, a lot of people, they don't like vegetables at all. When you give them vegetables, they don't want to know. But vegetables is very good. When you are eating your rice, just add vegetables to it. You know, yeah. Then it's like you balance your food. You know, yeah. Don't just eat rice like that to stew. No, you need to add vegetables. You know, yeah. So that is how then you balance your food. You understand what I mean? And just some small portions. Small portions, that's the trick. You know, that's what I mean. There's no point of filling your plate with full of food. Yeah, I'm hungry. You know, sometimes when you're hungry, when you don't even think about the size, you just pour the whole food on the plate. Then after you finish eating, say, I'm too full up. I was so hungry, I didn't even know that I was pouring so much food on my plate. You understand what I mean? So that one can also help. But the most important thing is exercise. Because when you exercise, it makes you stronger, it makes you fitter, it's good for your heart and all those things. You understand what I mean? So today I said, let me do a video. Let me do a video about what they are saying, that COVID, if you are overweight and you get COVID, you die. You know, that's not true. It's not true at all. Because COVID is about immune system. You understand what I mean? But it's just a trick, you know, just for them because they want to save money, isn't it? Because they are saying that if you're overweight and you go to hospital, government will be spending too much money on you. The NHS and government, they will be spending too much money on you. So it's a trick. It's just a trick for them to say they lose weight so that they can have their own money in it. It's not because of any COVID. For me, I don't believe that if you're overweight, you die from COVID. I don't know what anybody will say, you know. But if you have any um, answers or questions, just put it in the comment box, in it. But for me, I don't think if you're overweight, you die from COVID. You understand what I mean? Yeah, because a lot of overweight people are walking around and they get COVID and they don't die. So what about that one? Sometimes they do the research and they don't even know what they are talking about. You know, so this is what I was saying today. Yes, this is what I want to say today, that according to the news or the government is saying that if you overweight, you die from COVID. But I don't think you will. It's all about immune system. All that you have to do is just take care of yourself. You know, exercise. You know, that we have people that are overweight, but they exercise a lot, so they are very fit. You know, they exercise a lot. So exercise is the medicine. You know, exercise is the medicine to lose weight, to keep fit. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So this is what I'll leave you today. So take care. Bye.